Caltrain serves train riders from San Francisco to Gilroy in the San Francisco Bay Area. They have provided important accessible modifications at the train stations to enable the blind community to locate the ticket vending machines, as well as a special area called the Boarding Assistance Area, where riders will be able to obtain assistance from the conductors of the train if needed. By installing raised directional tiles, riders can easily locate where the ticket machines are located, and while traveling independently. This Audible ticket vending machine, also known as a TVM, is solidly built so that the ticket purchaser does not have to be concerned with breaking the machine. When a rider is learning to use the machine, it is recommended that they get an overall sense of where the various buttons are located. Once this is done, they will need to find a 1-inch diameter button located on the left-hand side of the machine, 4.5 feet high. This is the button that initiates the Audible menu of the machine.
Welcome to Caltrain. Use the keypad, which is located.
This menu will take the user step by step through the complete purchase of the type of ticket desired. To the right of the Audible button are two volume buttons, one with an arrow pointing up for volume up, and the other with an arrow pointing down for volume down. Below this is a set of buttons in the shape of a telephone keypad. Because the majority of people recognize this layout, it is easy for the blind user to locate the button associated with each menu announcement.
Select the number of tickets you want to purchase. For additional transactions, press 5. To purchase tickets, press 0.
The menu takes the user step by step through the entire ticket purchase. It will also explain where to locate the bill, coin, and credit card slots, and finally where to find the ticket and change at the end of the purchase. All tickets, including one-way, day pass, 8-ride, and monthly tickets, may be purchased at open-staffed stations in San Francisco and San Jose, or by using the accessible ticket vending machines. Tickets may also be purchased at Caltrain headquarters in San Carlos. Caltrain operates a proof of payment system. Tickets must be purchased before boarding the train, or customers are subject to a citation or fine. 10-ride tickets and complimentary tickets must be validated before boarding the train. Validators are located close to the TVMs. When unable to pre-purchase or validate your ticket, and you have a valid proof of disability, let the conductor know as soon as you board the train. Samtrans, the administrator of Caltrain, and the Valley Transit Authority offer a free one-on-one travel training program that provides individuals with a chance to learn to travel on public transportation in a safe and efficient manner. Riders with disabilities learn how to negotiate the train stations, how to purchase tickets, obtain assistance, board the train, make connections, and learn how to manage if they become lost. If you know someone with a visual impairment who is interested in learning more about how to travel independently, please have them contact Vista Center for the Blind and Visually Impaired at 650-858-0202 or online at www.vistacenter.org. We look forward to hearing from you. This video was produced with the help of a grant provided by Cisco Systems Incorporated.